Good morning, Dynasty traders. Uh, Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. We are currently Friday. Let's open up these charts and see what we got. Friday NFP, first Friday of the month. Okay, let's share. All right. So, oh, forgot to put the light so you guys can see my pretty face. Just jokes. All right. Better, better. Perfect. So, Friday, 2 minutes till the open. Let's see what we got. So NFP numbers um came in strong, not that strong, not like three variations from the main strong, but still pretty strong. Um, Unemployment up, but that's probably due to the government layoffs that the Doge has been doing, and average hourly earnings year over year is down. So let's see. Let's close this. Remember, guys, I think at 11:25, Powell is going to speak. Yeah, 11:25, Powell speaks. So, uh, as I was saying in the pre-market, guys, I'm live every day from 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys want to tune in, just subscribe and turn the notification on. Like that, you guys could watch me trade. And just for your information, I don't talk a lot. I'm more like a trade companion. Like you're gonna hear my thoughts, but very briefly. Like that, you guys could be able to concentrate on your trades while you're trading. If ever you're trading at the same time as me, or you're learning from me, I'm not gonna overload you with a bunch of blah 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 all the time. I'm just gonna keep it straight facts and yeah, just trade the markets like a normal person. So let's get into it. All right, so over here we had these relative equal highs that were taken by like 1 or 2 points over here. And that was like the stops, the buy side, the minor buy side. This is the major buy side. And this is a 4 hour sell side liquidity. Let's go back and look. 4 hour sell side liquidity. Doop. This one right here. Okay, we didn't reach it. We didn't go through it. Let's see if we could do this today. Okay, so here is a possibly going to be used as an inversion fair value gap because on the 5 minute we might use this as a support. So we went through it, right? And now if we go through it and come back into it, I change it color from gray to yellow, to orangish, yellow, beige, whatever you want to call this, and it becomes inversion. So it's going to be like a basically a zone of support. Okay. So here, let's take this off and just mark this. That was taken over here. Beautiful day outside. Really nice. Let's go back to the 1 minute. What was interesting over here is that this, I'm still trying to find out if, well, through time and like trading, if if we don't have a body, right, that passed this high, okay, before making that new leg all the way over here, does this count from here to here as a leg or from here to here, you know? Because sometimes, like, let's say, the market structure changes, right? So over here, like, if we'd say, if we take from this leg to this leg, which I normally do, but I might be changing my opinion on this, okay? And here it broke down below this low, right? I'm checking if we actually use the bodies to break above these highs in order to actually use this as the leg, right? Instead of just doing this. So from here to here to here to here, right? But usually I tend to go with the first option. I'm gonna be testing that out to be able to see which one works better, but this is this is what I usually do to find the break of structure. This broke, but then continued higher. So I don't know what could have been how do you say, the reason for this. Maybe it has to do with these uh, side by side fair value gaps. Maybe not. We'll check that out a bit later. But for now, let's focus on the price action that it's giving us. So we're currently 4 minutes past open, and this is the first presented fair value gap that I always color in purple. If we are to see something, like if I am to short, all right, if I am to short, I would like to see so candles break below this. Candles bodies close below this wick. All right. So I'd like to see a break below this one. Break below and close. And then I'm going to be looking if any PD arrays were left in this leg going down. But it just tapped into the first presented fair value gap and continued lower from there. So, and it couldn't even get to the consequent encroachment, to the midway of that fair value gap. So let's see. All right. I'm liking the price action for now. I'm liking it. What would be nice if this would be left open, like right here. Yeah, exactly like that. If it stays open right here and we have a break below this, then this is gonna be like super ideal for like shorts. Okay, so you see this? This is gonna be a little zone. Okay, and in my experience, in my experience, fair value gap, perfect. In my experience, these little zones do get spiked into. Okay, after breaking this low, they get spiked into, like, and they pass slightly above and then continue down. But the candle bodies never close um, above this fair value gap. It's doing good things for now. I want to see a body close below this. There you go. That spike that we were talking about, I just didn't feel um, confident in taking it because I like to wait for the confirmation before. It's my system, it's my process that I like to do before entering the trade. I'd like to wait before, like that, a down closed candle body closes below this wick to start to initiate like a type of change in structure. Yeah, exactly. As I was saying, the wick would go above, but the bodies stay below. That happens quite often. I ain't no genius, but I've been training for a little while. And thanks to ICT, it really, really cleared up my trading and allowed me to bring like structure. Not only structure, but speaking about it, you know? So it's the vocabulary that helps you make coherent decisions when you're talking to yourself. Not just, this is not good because this looks like that. No, you put a language to it, so it helps. So I thank him for that. Pretty cool on his part. If he created the language, and if he didn't, well, it's still nice that he published all the work for other people to be helped by this. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna enter. And my take profit's going to be there. All right. So the break below fair value gap, short from there. I might not even get it. It might go straight through, like literally straight through. But I'm fine with that. I mean, it's Friday. Do you really want to force it? No. We stay patient and respect our models that we give ourselves, or else we're just gunslinging with no targets to focus on, Fucking nonsense. Here we go. So remember how we said in the beginning of the video we might use this 5-minute inversion fair value gap as a support? Just dipped into it, just barely took me in. Barely, barely, barely. Just adjusted it. There's a smidgen right under like that. Sometimes it's cheeky and does not get you in just by one tick. So let's let's play it. Oh, oh, I see. Okay, so usually the fair value gaps, when you take them, from what I learned, or from what I understood actually, is you take this volume imbalance and you include it with it, unless the wick of the candle that's closing that fair value gap goes above the 50%, the consequent encroachment. So therefore you keep it there. Let's see. There seems to be some strength in here. All right, I'm in. And it's going to be pushing. Yeah, there's strength in this one. Probably going to get stopped out. Um, stop loss order executed. Okay, well, that's it for today. I go unless unless we reverse on this First presented fair value gap. Okay, that's gonna be my last trade. Put a stop above here. And put a take profit right here. Right here. Actually, you know what? We'll go all the way down here. We'll try and sweep that low. Let's see. It's probably gonna go straight down from here. Damn. Missed by 3 points. Come on. Just tap it. It's moving. She's moving. She's moving quick. All right. Yeah, no, there's too much strength today. That was a nice drop from the first presented fair value gap. Now we're having a pop back up. Let's see. I want some heaviness right here. Go straight through. At least touch this order block. You know what? I'm thinking about closing this trade. Let's give it three more candles. Three more candles. Just to be sure, I'm bringing it right here in profit, trailing my stop. If it wants to go up, let it go up. I ain't losing today. We're Friday. Come on. Keep on dropping. Big drop. Big drop. What just happened? All right. Good. So we took a $930 loss, and then we a a 1,000 no actually $912 loss, and after that a $1,150 gain. So this is the Friday session. Like it's a bit tough to trade, to be honest. Like choppy, 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 choppy. Um, no really decisive moves for this AM session. Maybe it's gonna be when Powell speaks, but I'm not gonna be here. I got other things to do, and yeah, that's some good risk management on the when I was in profit, and and also good risk management when I lost because I didn't move my stop loss. So I hope you guys enjoyed how I trade and my thought process behind it, and the example on risk management because it's super important, super important. Thank you very much for watching, and I like and subscribe, show the love. Also, turn that notification on to be able to be notified when I go live every day at 9:30 uh, Eastern time. Bye bye.